Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that human blood can be classified into 4 common blood types, A, B, AB, and O. It is also characterized by the presence or absence of the rhesus factor. The table above shows the distribution of blood type and rhesus factor for a group of people. If one of the people who is rhesus negative is chosen at random, the probability the person has blood type B is 1/9. We're asked what is the value of X. So if we're taking the probability that someone has blood type B out of all the people who are rhesus negative, what is that going to look like? Well, the people who are both rhesus negative and type B is this box right here, so 2, and this is over everybody who is rhesus negative, so 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus X. We're told that this is equal to 1/9. So we have 2 over 7 plus 2 plus 1 is 10 plus X is equal to 1/9. So we have 2 fractions, so we can cross multiply. So we have 2 times 9 is equal to 1 times 10 plus X. 2 times 9 is 18 is equal to 10 plus X. Subtracting 10 from both sides. These cancel out, and you get 18 minus 10 is 8 is equal to X. So we're asked what is the value of X. 8 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.